Hey boys, it's a nice relaxing morning. We are going to take out the Integra today and see what's on the scene. It's been a while. Made it. We are here, Acura parked next to the Acura. We got Supras, all kinds of stuff. Let's go take a look. Right, Supra. JDM gang is strong out here, guys. Got a Z. And that is a cool car. It's older Nissan. Let's take a look. He's got caged up, Sparco seats, Takata harness. Well, technically Datsun. This guy brought a hoopty. This thing is so long here. Take a look. Old GTO. Subaru with a carbon hood. Hellcat coming through. Got a Civic Type R right here. Civic Type R. FD over here. Let's see what he's rocking. He's got that rotary gang. Got a Bullet Mustang. This is my favorite Mustang trim right here. Boom, in the green, baby. Bullet Mustang. SRT gang is rolling through. But we've got this Mitsubishi Evo. Got the Silvia. Look at the interior on this guy. Straight from the 90s, baby. That's what I'm talking about. So we got a good mix of stuff here. All kinds. American stuff, JDM stuff, Euro stuff. There's the German cars. What's going on? These guys are twinning. We call that Kambal. This is my style though, right here. That is a cool one. Mazdas. And then we got this guy over here. Looks like a V8 hot rod. Oh, guys, all stitched up. Side pipes. Got the old Bronco. Audi. Lexus right here. Ooh, check that out. Whoa, this thing is in awesome condition. Look at the inside. All original. Look at the door handle. Wow. This is the Honda Prelude. This was like one of the first body styles for the Prelude. Look at that. Original hubs. Wow. This is freaking awesome. That is awesome. Vida bus. Don't know how many windows, but you can see it's got the top windows up here. It's got the Safari windshield. That is awesome also. Air cooled, baby. Here's the newer style Prelude. Well, not the new, but you know, new to me. Silvia's over here. Looks like JDM stuff. Got the FRS or GT86. This one's FRS maybe. Porsches. Type R, baby. We gotta stop for the Type R's over here. We got 3 of them. 4 of them. All with their little touches. This one's probably the one that went all out on it. Spent the dough, you know? Look at this, guys. Looks like they all got Mugen lips. bars. We got the Volks Racing, Rays, TEs. Crazy. C3 Corvette Stingray. R35 GTR right here. All right, here we go. Air-cooled 912 4-cylinder Jaguar XJ GTR, baby. What is this? R33. Got some K cars coming on. That's that Honda Beat right there. And you got next to like Camaros. Crazy. Forward Beamer right here. School Mustang. New School Tech. Another Beamer. And a newer Beamer. Got a Z over here. And this is probably gonna be the priciest car here. Looks like a Jaguar XK 120. Guys, let's go take a look at this Jag. Here it is, XK 120. This is crazy that we got one of these out here. Still running, baby. 1954. Got a S2000 rolling in. That is cool. Got a 911 here. Air-cooled stuff is what I really like when it comes to Volkswagens and Porsches. I just don't know where you're gonna get one for cheap anymore. Or get the parts. Got that old school Supra. The new Mazda. And you got the MR2. Got the old Beamers. This is pretty cool to see, guys. Got that Toyota Celica next to a Nismo GTR here. Some of these did come in this color, so R34, man, pretty cool, guys. Guys, we gotta take another look at this Nismo R34 Skyline. This is the best thing about it right here. HKS steering wheel, guys. S2000 on some TEs. Next to this three-wheeler, it's an Ace. I don't know if I've ever heard of this. I know the Morgan three-wheeler, I know the Polaris, but this one, what is going on? Look at that. If you want that ultimate canoe experience, that's it. This is it. That dude's got a motorcycle engine. I know the Ace Motorcycle Company with the 4 cylinders. I do not know about this car. Go look at this MR2 over here. This is my favorite gen of MR2 if you're looking for one. It's got an awesome body style. Pop-up headlights, baby. Silvia Spec R. Guys, what are we thinking, guys? Is it old school or is it new school that's claiming the game out here? I gotta say though, that new one is an improvement. As we've got this Goku Gengar S2000 going on, and it's got a clean motor. Check that out. Little carbon fiber intake bits. Got this strut bar. Got a V-dub square back. That's that American version, Hearst style. 40SX. This color is cool. It's got Recaro seats inside. Momo wheel. Clean. It's a free-for-all, all makes, all models. That's the new version, the Integra Type S, baby. It's an awesome looking car. Kind of big. It's got that triple exhaust. It's basically a Type R Civic, but dressed up. It's a lot bigger than mine, I'll tell you that. Bigger than my Integra. Got the big boy motors over here. Supercharged Hemi. Man, it's too much for me, guys. It's too much for me. If I didn't get your car, sorry guys. So much over here. It's crazy to get it all. Gotta give a shout out to the Harley that showed up. It's got that 114 motor. I think they moved these all up to 117s now, so yep. Road Glide. Instead of taking time, well, this is fun, guys. Isn't it fun to see other people's builds? These cars are awesome. All right, let's enjoy the rest of the weekend. This is a good start right here. This Silvia has a Rough World RWB steering wheel. I don't know what it is with these steering wheels, guys. It's kind of connected to the car, that's why. So when I see a really good one, I'm like, dang, that's crazy. Of all the cars here, I think this Prelude takes the cake. Just the way it's been restored. Got that NSX. That's the best supercar out here. That's the one. There are so many cars, I don't know if I can get through them all without running out of memory. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, comment. Let's get out of here.